arrived by the house, I had to get the baby from school, and I noticed my little Ring camera that I got my package. So, let's hop out real quick and check and see what we got. Now they put in a, what is this? Oh, -9. But we already got one already. Right inside at the workbench. Got a couple things here on the bench that I'm working on. So we're gonna do it here at the chair. Sorry about that. Alright, we got this from ScaleTrains. Made this on put an order in on a Friday, and then showed up on a Tuesday, but we had the holiday. So plus I made another purchase the day after anyway, so probably have something show up tomorrow also. But this is mainly the bulk of the order that I put in. I noticed that it has some available. I didn't get all the white and black ones, but you know I got these because they're prototypical, and I'm super excited. And let's see what we got in the box here. Alright, I got the invoice here. Spending. I got the invoice. That's what it cost me. Got a new book because I didn't see this for 2019, Volume 1. It's Scale and HO. So definitely gonna get in and look in this book. I gotta run for work. I'll get that later. Got a $5 off, so definitely gonna use this bad boy. And let's take a look. Here we go. Recent release, ScaleTrains river counter. So I have 20 river counters. All right. So I'm gonna how we gonna do this. Taking a look at this HO scale Trinity 31K Crude old tank car. Looking at the B in the car, that you have the roll name, roll number, markings here. You have the Etched-metal piece here. Do you see that it has detail rivets? We got the Etched-metal grab irons here, and also here on the other side of the car. And you have your stirrups. You got your your brake pipe with the silver tip, and you have this metal knuckle that's proprietary to ScaleTrains, shelf knuckles. Coming over also the other side of the car, that you can see that has the cut levers. You got the handbrake. The handbrake houses in the back there. Got the brake chain, and you see the orange there to let you know that the handbrake is released. So that is per prototype. Alright, swinging around here on the side, that you have the control valve here. Let's talk about the trucks. The trucks here is one of the focal points on for this car, that they are 100 ton with 36-inch wheels, and that the end caps move with the wheels, and they're painted blue. Come along here, you can see a safety appliance here along the car. Let's talk about the name, the road name and number. Everything's here is printed and looks good under magnification. You can see it with your naked eye, and looks good under magnification. Here you can have your open and close. The valve is under here, and you see that little detail right there for the that's the chain. that will simulate the hold the cap on. Well, that's not hold it, but have it connected so we'll lose it on the transit or we unload it. So it's pretty neat. Come along here, see the markings here. Those look good. The lube, lube board, whatever you call it, is right there. The inspection looks good. To be honest, I really can't make it out, but it's not blurry, but somebody can see it. I can't see it, but it looks good on film. See if we can zoom in on it. That's always zoomed in, so it doesn't look like it's bleeding. Everything looks like it's separated. But anyway, you see, you got the placard here, same as before. The 100-ton rolling bearing trucks with 36s with the blue end caps that spin, and it has a road name, road number printed on the trucks. Come along here, you have the stirrups here, a grab iron, another grab iron here also. You have your shield here at the end shields, and if you can see that, let's see, between the tank and the shield, it's detailed there, attaching the shield to the tank, which has been rendered very nicely. As both these pieces are separate, not the same. This is Etched-metal. Come along here, this walkway is Etched-metal also. We got the cut lever here, you have the grab iron, you have the shelf knuckle here, you have the air hose with silver tip. Also, you can see that has the holes already punched out for the handbrakes, but that is done to something standard. And you got the placards. Then roll around to the other side of the car, the same as before, but all the reporter marks except for the open and close of the valve was on the other side of the car. Looking under the car, that you can see that we have the ScaleTrains shelf knuckle, which looks pretty good. We have the Etched-metal walkway with the see-through, and we have the brake hose silver tip there. We have the angle cock, the brake pipe going through going up into the car. Now they go from the control valve to the air reservoir, then reservoir to the brake cylinder, and it causes the piston to come out. You have all that plumbing there under the car. As far as the braking system goes, you can see that the brake cylinder has a lot of detail put into it that will come out or come in, and it will pull this chain right here, which is highly detailed up on here under the truck or above the truck to apply the brakes, which you can see is right there on the detail. It's pretty good. A little color, making it perfect. Also, come along, we're still talking about the braking system, that you have the rods here and the detail for this particular appliance for the car that runs the entire length. You see that you have supports here holding up the brake cylinder, the brake pipe and the brake rod. Middle here, that you have right here at the cap, and there's a little chain detail there, and this is the open and close the valve. So that's been done nicely in my opinion. Also, you have the lettering to the close and open position. Come along under the car. Once again, you got your 100-ton rolling bearing trucks here with 36-inch wheels with the blue end caps, and you have the brake shoe detail under the car right here. Looks pretty good in my opinion. And you can see under here that the brake pipe continues through the entire length of the car, and you have the hose here, got the hose with the silver tip, and have the angle cock. And under here you can see the detail of the cut lever. So under this car is a very car now detail. You can see that the road name and number is printed on top. Coming over, you can see the manway hatches and covers. here with the grab irons, stirrups holding them up, support, and you have the Etched-metal walkways here, and you have the ladders going from the top to the bottom of the car on both sides. The body is a one-piece mold. On the ends, though, they are separately applied, but it looks great, and it has a little texture on the car, like per prototype, in my opinion, by looking at it through the camera. And in person, it looks pretty good. Definitely realistic, hit it right off the park with this. Have multiple detailed parts, as even the bulkhead bolts that was done there nicely. Well, not bulkhead, but bolts done holding it down. So yeah, looks pretty nice. All that detail.